Hello student, in this video I am going to explain you about phylum Platyhelminthes as well as phylum Nematoda. Okay, so first phylum is phylum Platyhelminthes. They are also known as flatworms. So basically student, the characteristic of Platyhelminthes is first one, the animals have a thin, flat and unsegmented body. Thin, flat just like tape. Okay, tape like body they are having. Okay, it is very thin. Okay, it is very thin and then it is flat structure which is unsegmented, मतलब all over as it is same structure होता है. Segments का मतलब होता है parts, छोटे छोटे parts, but their body do not contain any smaller parts. It is all over same kind of body is there. That is why the animals have a thin, flat, unsegmented body which could be leaf-like or ribbon-like structure. Okay, and then second one, they are having, means this body is having, such kind of body is having incomplete digestive tract. What is complete digestive tract? Students, a complete digestive tract always contain two openings. First one mouth जिससे हम food pick करेंगे and second one anus. Anus जहाँ से जो भी waste होगा वो निकलेगा. But they contain incomplete digestive tract. It means they contain only one opening. And from this opening the food will comes inside as well as the waste will goes outside as well. Okay, so that is why the digestive tract of Platyhelminthes phylum is incomplete and they do not have any organ for locomotion, means they cannot move by their own. Okay, and that is why they are lacking the locomotory organ. Okay, then the next point is most flatworms, these flatworms, okay, they are a parasite in humans and other animals, but some are also free living, but most of them are parasite. What is the meaning of parasite? Actually parasites are those living animals who survive inside the body of other living organisms. ठीक है, so a parasite is also a living organism who have to survive inside the other living organism, and they are known as parasite, and the animals on which they are surviving is known as host. Okay, and the example of phylum Platyhelminthes is tapeworm. Okay, tapeworm, liver fluke. Okay, this one is the parasite in humans and liver fluke is parasite in the liver of sheep. Okay, now the next phylum is phylum. So student, the next phylum is phylum Nematoda. Okay, animals have a round, unsegmented and tube-like body. Okay, they are having round, unsegmented, tube-like body like this, somehow like this. Okay, they are having segmented and round, मतलब आप ऐसे भी इसे draw कर सकते हो like this. Okay. So they are having round, unsegmented, ट्यूब लाइक बॉडी, वेयर एज जो प्लेटीहेल्मिन्थीज थी दे आर हैविंग टेप लाइक बॉडी, एकदम फ्लैट. ओके, वेयर एज दे आर हैविंग सिलेंड्रिकल बॉडी, मीन्स ट्यूब लाइक बॉडी. सो दे हैव अ कंप्लीट डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कंप्लीट डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक? इट मीन्स they contain both the openings, mouth as well as anus. Okay, but they do not have any organs for locomotion. Just like Platyhelminthes, they are also lacking the locomotory organ. Okay, then most of them, just like Platyhelminthes, are parasites. They are also parasites and some can be found in water and soil also. The example of Nematoda is Ascaris. Okay, so this is the structure of Ascaris, which is also known as roundworm, and it is a parasite inside in the intestine of humans. Okay, generally it is present in children, and pimpworm and filarial worms are also parasite in humans, but this one is the most common. Okay, this is the most common roundworm which is a parasite and survive inside the intestine of humans. Okay, I hope everything is very clear. Okay, in next class I will explain you the next phylums. Take care.